Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the source code of a website using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So for example, I want to see the source code of some website, for example google.com. Uh, Generally I can see this source code by right clicking on the browser and just go to view source page or view page source, and it will show me the code or source code behind the website. In most of the browser it's the same, and I'm going to show you how to do exactly same using your Visual Basic application. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a text box and a rich text box and a button, and I'm going to resize this rich text box. So in this rich text box I'm going to show the source code. In this text box I'm going to paste, or I'm going to write my website link, and by clicking this button I want to get the source code of the website. So let me change the text of this button as source, or get source, maybe get source. Okay, and now what I am going to do is I will double click this button and I will reach to the button click event of this button, and in here I will first of all I will declare a string variable. So I will say dim, not here but above, yeah, dim source as string, and then I will just take this source variable here and I will write is equal to new system dot net dot web client, and I will say dot download, let's see, string, and in the bracket what I will do, I'm going to get the link of the website. So I will take this link, I will copy the URL of the website, and in the double quotes I will paste it. So I will give double quotes and paste the link of the website. Okay, so this is the code, and then I have the source in this source string variable. Now what I will do is I will simply write this. So I will write rich text box 1 dot text is equal to my source variable. Okay, so let's see if it works or not. I will run my program and I will say get source, and it will get me the source code behind google.com or google.co.in. Now if you want the source code of different website, or you don't want to hard code or handwrite this website, what you can do is, instead of writing this URL, you can just say textbox1 dot text. Okay, so whatever we write in the text box, it will take it as a URL, and then it will take the source of the URL which you have entered in your text box, and then it will represent, or it will show the source of that website in the rich text box. But you can, or user can enter wrong URL also. So you, in order to prevent the user to uh, enter a wrong URL or catch any exception, you can just write try catch exception, and you can just enclose your code inside your try catch block, and in the message box of the catch, message box dot show, and you can show any error message so that you know that your user have entered the wrong URL. Okay, so now I will run the code once again, and in here once again I'm going to take the same URL, or you can take different URL, and I will say get source. Or if I enter the broken URL, for example I write www.google.something.c, so it's a broken URL, and I will say get source, and it shows me this exception error, right? So I know that I have entered the wrong URL because of the try catch block. So it's always a good practice to enclose your code in the try catch block whenever you have the chance of having any exceptions or any errors. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.